Parliament has confirmed all 7 Supreme Court nominees put forward by President John Dramani Mahama, despite strong opposition from the minority caucus. The approval came after an intense plenary debate, culminating in a decisive voice vote that secured the elevation of the nominees to the nation's highest court. The majority side pushed through the endorsement following the presentation of the Appointment Committee's final report. The minority, however, had voiced firm objections to the nominations. They argued that the appointments were problematic in light of the recent suspension of the Chief Justice, raising questions about constitutional propriety. They also criticized the Supreme Court for its silence, accusing it of failing to uphold the principles of natural justice in the face of concerning legal development. Let's get to know these judges. First, we have Justice Sir Dennis Dominic Ejay. He is a veteran appeal court judge since 2010, also serving on the African Court on Human and People's Rights. He holds multiple advanced laws, teaches internationally, and sits on the International Criminal Court Advisory Committee. Second, we have Justice Bill Simon Subari, an appeal court judge since 2010, previously supervising High Court judge in the Eastern Region and currently the appeal court representative on the Judicial Council. He is esteemed for his expertise in constitutional and administrative law. Justice Senyor Jamefe, appointed to the appeal court in 2010, formerly served as a High Court judge. He led the Jamefe Commission into the Black Stars World Cup performance and was elected President of the Magistrate and Judges Association in 2018. He is known for his work in commercial and civil litigation, especially in corporate governance. Next, we have Justice Kweku Teria Akabuafo. He is an appeal court judge since December 2022. Before that, he was a High Court judge noteworthy for significant rulings, including the judgment on ex parte Zanato and cases involving Dr. Kessler Toforsen. He previously practiced law in Canada and has contributed to law education. Justice Philip Bright Mensah. He was elevated to the appeal court in 2019 after years on the High Court. He presided over high-profile cases involving former COCOBOD CEO Dr. Stephen Opini and in the ambulance trial acquitting Atoforsen. His specialties include commercial, corporate, and taxation law. Sixth, we have Justice Janapari Battles Kojo. She is among the 2 women nominees appointed to the appeal court in 2019. She has an extensive judicial career spanning over 30 years, from magistrate to appeal court judge, known for rigor, impartiality, and integrity. Last but not least, we have Justice Hafisata Amilaboba, the other woman nominee sworn into the appeal court in 2022. As a former High Court judge, she presided in major cases, including those related to coup plot trials. Her expertise covers family law, land law, and alternative dispute resolution. There you have them, all 7 justices approved by Parliament. Now they await the official swearing in by President John Dramani Mahama. I am Angela Deladen Kufuor.